Sounds on 29th is proud to be sponsored by Rosenberg's Bagels and Delicatessen. Authentic New York City-style bagels made with local and natural ingredients. Serving gourmet smoked fishes and house-made spreads. Rosenberg's Bagels and Delicatessen, made hot and fresh all day.
Hey, what up, man?
Sounds on 29th would like to thank Hold Please Productions for their support.
Famous Original J's Pizza, an authentic New York City-style slice shop located in Denver's historic Five Points. Boasting high-caliber ingredients with East Coast flavor, available by the slice or whole pie. Famous Original J supports Sounds on 29th and the Colorado creative community.
The following programming contains adult themes and is intended for mature audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Whatever happened to my girl shoes? Whatever happened to that guy from Blue's Clues? Whatever happened to the way it used to be? Whatever happened to Happy Go Lucky? Say what? Say what? Say whoop, whoop. Get what I say. Whatever happened to Happy Go Lucky? Whatever happened to Happy Go Lucky? Whatever happened to Happy Go Lucky? Whatever happened to Happy Go Lucky?
Hi, and welcome to another edition of Sounds on 29th. I'm your host, Bree Davies. Thank you for joining us here on CPT 12 for this weekly trip through the music and comedy scenes of Denver and the Front Range. Tonight's episode features the wild and bizarre musical shenanigans of Bolonium and the equally wacky comedy of Piper Shepard. First up, Bolonium. This band has mastered the goofy early 80s art school vibes of DEVO while channeling Weird Al's patented satire without the cynicism, bringing their own brand of musical wit into the 21st century. Before performing live here on Sounds on 29th, we featured several videos from this band on our music video specials, and we had a lot of work to choose from, as masterminds Richard Taylor and Tim Johnson made visual components to go with every song on their self-titled record. Johnson plays the perfect foil to Taylor's slapsticky frontman persona, which you can enjoy right now in this live set and interview with Bolonium.
When I was just a toddler, my mother would tell me, wash behind your ears and where the sun don't shine. Don't watch cartoons cause they're a waste of time. They rot your eyes and they turn your brain to slime. They have no morals, get your head out of the gutter. You're leading your life into a life of crime. I never ever did what my mother would tell me, cause every Saturday morning I'd be glued to the telly. When I was just a kid, I watched a lot of TV, mostly cartoons. Let me tell you what they taught me. Violence is funny and nobody dies. You gotta have a catchphrase and angels fall from the sky. Now I'm a 29-year-old man living in his mother's house, still watching an animated cat mouse. Haven't found a job, but it's no concern to me, cause the cartoons of the past, let me tell you what they taught me. Frogs can dance and sing. Acme makes everything. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. When I was just a child, everything was so much better. I had no worries, just my favorite cartoon character, making me laugh and making me smile, buying their toys and making me go wild. I got a girlfriend now, and she says you're immature. Stop wasting your life with all this cartoon guff. You sound just like my mother, and I really had enough. Cartoons of the past, let me tell you what they taught me. Everybody has 3 fingers and a thumb. Storks are where babies come from. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. understand our lack of attention span. Come on! Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. If you misunderstood me, then I'll say it again. Banana peels are slippery. Banana peels are slippery. Banana peels are slippery. Banana peels are slippery, so watch out for them. Watch out for them. Watch out for those banana peels, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, how are you doing, everybody?
We're here with the band Bolonium.
Wow.
What?
Okay, I'm Richard.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bonnie. I'm Tim.
Paul. He's a cool guy.
Cool guy.
He's a cool guy. He's real cool.
Good guy to have in a band.
He doesn't know why he's in the band, but he's in the band.
He did a great job.
We love him.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
love cool guy. We love Sounds on 23. Thank you for having us, Bree.
Thank you.
I brought you a little present here. It's a Bolonium CD.
What?
One of very few
I know. I
pressed
was gonna
CDs.
say I know where you are online, but I didn't know.
That's right. You can watch all our videos on YouTube right now.
Oh yeah, so we could talk about that. So we've had some of your videos on our video special, and you made videos for every song on your album.
That's right. Every song.
What was that process like?
We kind of wanted to be a music video only band.
Like
we never
not
really
perform out?
No.
Okay.
We never intended to perform live. That was just in our minds. Me and Tim here. It was just kind of a. We come from video, so we do a lot of video production. So we made a feature film called Adam the Amazing Zombie Killer here in town.
Cool.
And after we did all the music for the movie, we thought, hey, let's put a
Clearly
band
we're
together, right?
kind of a band,
Yep.
right?
That's right.
And then you decided to. I mean, it's funny to me that you say that because your performance was like amazing. So obviously you had it in you.
Wow. Well,
What?
she's wow. Bree's wow. She is wow.
Well, you know, if you don't intend to,
She is wow.
make a record and then not perform it, but you performed it really well. So
Yeah, well, we had to relearn all the songs. We didn't really know how to play any of them live, so that's where Bonnie and Paul came in. So they kind of figured out how to make heads and tails out of the silly little stupid songs we made.
they're great. They're fantastic. There's like so many like references and name checks in the songs that were like pretty. Obviously, we're clearly around the same age because you were talking
Yeah.
Barbizon and
Barb song.
trained to be a model or just look like one. I think that's their promo. And Charles in Charge. Chuck
Yep.
E. Cheese, which I think we would know as Showbiz as well.
Dave Coulier.
Dave Coulier.
Who can forget?
We kind of have never grown up, so Bolonium. When you eat Bolonium, it just kind of it doesn't age you, so you're just stuck.
Permanently in
Yeah, we're just
whatever.
stuck at a.
Mine's
age.
kind of flaring up right now.
You've got a case
My
of the
Bolonium
Bolonium.
is real bad
Your
too.
Bolonium looks really good. I would like that color Bolonium.
Yeah.
But we got the yams today, see.
I know. I was like,
Me and Tim were
I like your
we were
outfits.
golfing earlier, and so we forgot all about this. So
well, thanks for taking time
you're welcome.
from your golfing.
Anything for you, Bree.
Those was-
She's wow. She's wow.
Yeah.
She's wow.
So where can we find your music online?
Well, we can. You can go online. You know, type in Bolonium. I'm pretty
only
darn
thing
sure.
that comes
I'm
up.
pretty darn sure we're the only thing that comes up. A few other things come up.
But not.
It's on Apple Music. It's on Google Play. It's on Spotify.
Bandcamp.
Bandcamp's one of my favorites.
But watch the videos. I think we're
YouTube.
visually we're better than musically. So go to YouTube, type in Bolonium, and watch all our videos.
And we're almost done with our second album.
Yeah, we're working on a new one.
Yeah, we're well into making music videos for that album as well. So
Cool.
we're gonna have a new batch of music videos coming soon. Hopefully,
And that's
this
going to be
year.
called Snacktacular.
Snacktacular.
Snacktacular, and Bolonium is Snacktacular.
Yay! Well, I hope that we can get some of those videos from you and share them.
Oh yeah. You'll be the first ones we send it
It'll
to.
be an honor to be on the show again.
Yay!
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for coming.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
She's
you.
wow. She's wow. Wow. She's wow.
To the money shot, skip it. To the money shot, skip it to the money shot. I feel it deep it down. I'm about to burst. Waiting on you people, it's surely just the worst. The clock is ticking and the seconds feel like hours. So get on the floor, all you lazy wallflowers. It doesn't even matter if you haven't got a date. Just get this party started and don't debate. I used to be like you. I thought I was too cool, but now I'm not afraid. to the money shot. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are Bolonium, your new favorite band from right here in Denver, Colorado. Yeah. Get a little funky there, Tim. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Paul. Boom, boom, boom. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Here comes verse 2. I feel it all around and I'm getting so impatient. We haven't got all day, so no more hesitating. We came here to have fun. You know you feel the hunger. So green lane go, we ain't getting any younger. I'm calling out all of you procrastinators. I've had it up to here with you lazy castanators. So don't dilly-dally, you're dragging really slow. We all got things to do, so hurry, let's go!
Come on, everybody, let's get naughty up in here. Everybody, shake your tongue, cut off your thumb, play by ear. Everybody, Charles in charge, marshmallow pie, don't even try. Everybody, get that drum, get you some, hit the spot. Give it all you got, skip it to the money shot, 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 skip it to the money shot, 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 skip it to the money shot, 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 skip it to the money shot, shot, shot.
Skip it to the money shot. That's how you do it. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Tim Johnson here on lead guitar. What a fantastic guitar player you are, Mr. Johnson. Good boy, good boy. Over here we got Mr. Paul Day on the bass. Wow! Oh my gosh! That sounds so good! Wow! How do you do that? Hey guys, we got Miss Bonnie Finley back here! Keep with the beat!
Come on, everybody! Come on, everybody! Come on, everybody! Let's do it right around! Everybody, shake your toes, cut off your thumb, play by ear. Everybody, Charles in charge, marshmallow pie, don't even try. Everybody, kick a drum, get you some, hit the spot. Give it all you got, skip it to the money shot, 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 skip it to the money shot, shot, skip it to the money shot, skip it to the money shot, 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 skip it to the money shot, shot, skip it to the money shot.
This is fun, you guys. Wow.
That was Colorado's own Bolonium, one of my favorite live performances we've been lucky enough to host right here in the CPT 12 studios in beautiful, historic Five Points. Be sure to head on over to cpt12.org to see previous episodes of Sounds on 29th, including our music video specials featuring Bolonium's excellent visual work. Hey, and while I have your attention, public television and the shows you see here on CPT 12 couldn't happen without your support. Fans like you can show that support for Sounds on 29th by texting GIVE in whatever dollar amount you choose to 720-571-8881. Next up, a Hold Please Productions comedy break with Piper Shepard. A hardworking player in the Denver scene, Piper can be seen on stages large and small, from El Chorrito's Comedy Room to the Oriental Theater. The comedian's also an equally talented musician. You can find her band, Calamity Champs, on Facebook, along with information on their future performances. Now please sit back and enjoy this set from funny human Piper Shepard right here on Sounds on 29th.
Hey guys. So I lost my virginity in a three-way. So I'm genetically predispositioned to be cooler than most people. It's strange being the three-way girl. I'm like, what must couples look at me like? They're like, hey, there's a lady. She must understand simple fractions. This chick, you know, she just got the kind of face that says, I'm gonna save our marriage. I was alarmed though. It was upsetting. I realized I was getting propositioned for too many three-ways because a few months ago, I got invited into 3 different three-ways in the same day. Like, whoa, that's an alarming amount. Could you imagine if I said yes to all of those three-ways? That is a lot of brunch the next day. Oh my gosh. I am gonna be really sick, you know? And I was like, oh my gosh, why do I have to be the three-way girl, you know? Why am I not nice enough to be taken out on a regular date? It's cool though, I guess people do want to give me a cameo spot in their sexual adventure, which is nice. It's like I'm on Late Night with Chad and Sarah's not really bisexual, and she's furious the whole time. You know? Maybe it's not for me. But I recently traded in my car for a DUI. It was after that third brunch date. I was 75 mimosas deep. I practically pulled myself over, you know? It was really upsetting. I was like, I got arrested. I had to go to jail for my DUI. I was like, me? No, what happened? Did my white privilege run out? But I'm still alive, so apparently it did not. Oh, gosh. I just drink too much. I drink way too much, and I think it's because I was raised in the South, and the drinking culture is a lot different in the South. It's very competitive, you know. I was in Alabama, and I was having a grapefruit shandy because I was feeling like a real bougie pirate, you know. I was having my shandy, and this guy sitting next to me, he's just visibly irritated. He's like, what are you drinking there, little lady? You got you some grapefruit? Drinking some grapefruit? What's up with all this? I was like, yeah, it's delicious. I don't know. Why do you have a problem? And he's like, I just don't think that's real drinking. You know, me and my boys, we used to do some real drinking, all right? We used to play this game called Roll Tide Roulette. What you do is you pour 5 shots of Mad Dog 2020. Only one of them ain't got a Vicodin in it. And that's how we decide who the designated driver's gonna be. I'm like, oh, gee whiz, you know? So I started doing a bunch of shots to prove that I could keep up, and now I'm addicted to Vicodin. So, oh my gosh. I like astrology a lot. But in the way of like, I wonder what it would be like to date the whole zodiac, you know, one boy, one girl each, just really figure it all out. I have a friend that's crazy about astrology. He's like, yeah, Piper, I'm an Aries, homie. Aries? Yeah, I'm an Aries. It's the #1 sign in the zodiac. Aries is the fire sign, and fire's the most hardcore of all the elements. And I was like, whoa, did you know that you're an adult man and not a Pokemon? And he, like, didn't. It was crazy. And I thought it was super funny when my fire sign friend burned his apartment down. I was like, wow, it's too bad I wasn't there. These kind of things wouldn't happen if I was there because my zodiac sign is basic human intelligence. You guys into age-inappropriate relationships? I'm not saying if an old dude goes out with like a way younger lady that it's not creepy, but I think it should be cool when I do it. And that's just because I'm an old person trapped inside the body of a young person. It's called scoliosis. I really do love age-inappropriate relationships. I just hate it when the teacher gets fired, you know, so sad. I liked this guy once who was about 15 years older than me, and he just wasn't having it. He was like, 15 years is too much. You're not gonna get my references, my movie and TV references. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, what do we need to know? The other members of Poison that aren't Bret Michaels? I've seen every episode of I Love the 80s. Give me a chance. But, you know, I just think, you know, he's the kind of guy that doesn't understand why it's a faux pas to like your own status on Facebook. So we should go out with each other. I'm like, yeah, man, I could teach you how to properly use Facebook, and you can teach me why Caddyshack is supposed to be funny. Thank you guys so much. I've been Piper Shepard.
No more
This has been another edition of Sounds on 29th here on CPT 12. Special thanks to Bolonium and Piper Shepard for stopping by and performing for us. If you're a musician from this fair, square state and have music videos you want to share with our viewers through the magic of public television, please send them to us via soundson29th@cpt12.org for considerations on future episodes. Thanks again to our sponsors, Hold Please Productions, Rosenberg's Bagels and Delicatessen, and Famous Original J's Pizza for help making this show happen. I'm your host, Bree Davies. See you here every Saturday night at 9 o'clock for homegrown music and comedy right here on CPT 12.